Need quick internet access, but your hotspot drains your battery like crazy? Here's how to stay connected without burning your phone out. Turning your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot is convenient, especially in Nigeria, where portable routers aren't always reliable. But it's also one of the fastest ways to overheat and kill your battery life. Here's how to fix that. 1. Use USB tethering, not Wi-Fi if you're connecting one laptop. Plug your phone directly using a USB cable and turn on USB tethering. It's faster and consumes less power. 2. Limit connected devices. Each device increases battery strain. Keep it to 1 or 2 max. 3. Turn off hotspot when idle. Many people forget to turn it off, draining both data and battery even when no one's connected. 4. Lower screen brightness and enable battery saver. Simple but effective. Your phone uses less energy while maintaining a stable connection. 5. Keep it cool. Overheating kills battery health. Place it near a fan or on a cool surface while tethering. 6. Use power banks with pass-through charging. This allows you to charge and use your phone safely without overheating or damaging the battery. Follow these small tweaks, and you'll notice longer battery life, faster speeds, and less overheating, all while staying online wherever you go.